I want to build my smallest AI workstation yet. And the only case I found near Mac Studio size is the Velka 3, but mine isn't here yet. So Dan at Micro Center and I are starting with a bigger case and then squeezing everything into the Velka and racing it against the M3 Ultra. Dan doesn't know about the Velka yet. All right, so this is Dan. You already probably know who he is. He's been on many videos before. What's up?
Hey Alex, good to see you.
Good to see you too. I've already told him. Don't forget to say hello to him in the comments down below and mention that he has good hair.
Yeah, it's like 3 times a week now. If we can make it more than that, I'd be really happy.
I already told Dan what we're up to. We're doing a really, really small build. What kind of small parts can we put? I want to have an AI workstation that's gonna be really powerful, and I want to be able to put it in my backpack.
I thought you were trying to build a computer to watch television. I told you, this looks like a Blu-ray reader. But if you want to build inside of this thing, we definitely have to go for a much smaller make, even of like a regular SFF card. What's this? This is the Silverstone ML09, right?
Yeah, and it doesn't have that much space in it. It's 13 by 8 by 4.
Yeah,
that's inches for all you European folks watching. But what kind of GPU can we put in this? Because that's gonna be the driving factor here. We want a GPU that's gonna have as much VRAM as possible for doing AI workloads.
But I think we have to get even smaller for this one, right? So maybe something like the Pro 4000?
Do you think a 4000 would fit in there?
The SFF one would.
Hey, look at that.
Magic. Movie magic.
I already told Dan we're coming, so he knows what we're up to. He doesn't know everything yet. That comes later on.
Well, now I'm a little worried.
Is this it right here?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, wow.
It's a baby.
That is quite a seal. Look at that. Now, because it's so small, they have the mini DisplayPort connections here, but we're not gonna be using those.
It looks like a laptop battery.
What's special about the SFF?
If I'm not mistaken, this one gives you a lower profile bracket, but I know that the length of the card itself is really small.
One more thing about the SFF, this card is powered by the bus, so it's going to be 70 watts. This is not like the full RTX Pro 4000, which Micro Center also carries, and I bought it here before. I have a video on that. It has the same amount of CUDA cores, the same amount of VRAM, 24 gigs, which is actually the smallest GPU you can get with 24 gigs. But it does have less power, so it's not gonna be as fast as the full-size Pro 4000. So you're gonna have your SFF here, you're gonna have your motherboard here, and the power supply. So we need all those pieces. We need a tiny motherboard, so let's go pick that out.
So obviously we wanna get an ITX motherboard. So I have these 2 boards that come to mind for you. The MSI. And also Asus.
They're both B850s for Ryzen AM5 socket. Look at this, the price is very different. $289 versus $359. Let's do the cheaper one. We gotta save some money, why not?
I'm an MSI guy.
Let's do it, because we're gonna need some of that money for the next things we're gonna get, which is CPU, RAM.
Especially the RAM. So I guess we can go ahead and address the power supply question.
You know what, Dan? We're not gonna need a power supply, actually. I have a few power supplies from our previous shopping trips, so we'll go into that a little bit later.
All right, then we're good. I mean,
we're good here.
Yeah.
But this is a nice power supply wall.
We even have bigger 3000 watt Corsair units now in the back. So if you want to power 4 Pro 6000s, we have what you need. As for the memory, 32 gigs should be enough for you on this?
I mean, the more the merrier, but what can we fit into the budget here? Do you have any bundles or deals right now?
You know, it's funny you mentioned that. I told you this too. In the last video, we had a bundle with the 64 gigs of memory.
Yeah.
That lasted only that weekend before it sold out completely. So right now, the only bundles I have are with 32 gigabytes and they're only ATX.
Okay, that's not gonna work for us. We need a smaller board. But they do have bundles, and if this was maybe a Saturday, maybe they would have one. I don't know. They have it on random days. So what can we do today for memory?
So, crucial one at 6400 CL32.
So how much is this kit?
$369.99.
What if we do 64?
You'd have to get the 2 sticks of 32, which is doable.
Okay.
$879.
Oh, no. Stick with 32.
Yeah.
Because what happens is you load your models via system RAM, and then they go into the VRAM of the GPU, and you usually want them to be about the same or a little bit more for the system RAM just to have your operating system running. We've done some shopping here before, and I got my trusty little backpack with some stuff. There's the SSD. The other one is this processor.
I don't know if the camera will capture the name on that and see the packaging. Our very observant viewers will note that this is a Ryzen 7 box with a Ryzen 9 inside of it.
Oops. So this is the 9900X. You know, it's a pretty substantial processor. It's beefy.
But if we want to keep this thing from throttling as much as possible, and because I don't think you'll really benefit as much from the extra cores, we could do a Ryzen 5. Like a 9600X or 7600X.
Yeah.
9600X being the more power efficient one, so even easier to cool.
And we've used a couple 9600Xs before, especially for my bench machines. So let's do that. 9600 works pretty well, and it's gonna be a lower price than this, right?
Yes, oh, for sure.
Well, not really, because this is mine already.
That.
What about the cooler? I bought this one. After I showed it to you, you didn't like it.
So here's the thing. Noctua does a really good job with making it cooler. I am not going to take that away from them. However, in terms of where it performs and for what you're paying, there are some other interesting options out there like Thermalright.
Interesting. All right, let's see what you got.
You're gonna wanna check this one out.
Oh, 36.
Yep.
This is even smaller. What about a case fan?
Oh, actually, you know what? Then the Noctua fan does come in handy. You do need a 120 millimeter and an 80 millimeter. So the Noctua fan became useful again. Here's our processor. Look, and that one's actually the correct processor in there too.
Yes.
Now, our 80 millimeter fan from Kingwin.
$5. Well, $6. That's pretty good.
Guys, I'm doing everything to not have to do push-ups today. Today is back day, not chest.
Relax, Dan. There's no push-ups today, okay? We're good on that.
I never
Unless
know
you really
with you.
want to.
I don't. I never know with you.
But I gotta say, what do I have to say? At which point do you stop taking responsibility for the size of the case and what's gonna fit into it?
What do you mean by this question?
There might be some push-ups involved later on if this doesn't fit into the case that we're gonna put this into.
I mean, it definitely fits in the case on the counter.
Okay, we'll go with that for now. All right.
Is he gonna make me do push-ups anyway?
I don't know, we'll see. Now, this is gonna be more than a home media machine. It could do media, but let's see if this fits into a backpack.
Oh, yes.
Well, let's go into this backpack section.
Yeah.
You know what? This thing will fit pretty much into any of these backpacks. Nice. And I've been eyeballing a new backpack. You know how old my backpack is? It's like 14 years old.
Oh, man.
Yeah, like everybody's got a shiny new backpack. I feel like I need one. But look at this fit.
That's fun.
It's nice, right?
That could easily be a personal item on a plane.
An AI workstation inside here.
And don't forget, technically he could put that Ryzen 9 in there if he wants. You might even be able to fit it in like a laptop case. Maybe like a little bit thicker, but still.
Yes, wow. We can do that. Now I just need the keyboard, the monitor, the mouse.
Oh, okay, maybe not.
Yeah, all those things. I just want to stop by the DGX Spark Station. Now, this is not as small as another portable AI little supercomputer, but I wonder how it'll do in performance comparisons against the Spark. Let's make one more. Stop. Now, if you look at it from the side, it's kind of the same size as the Mac Studio, right? But yeah, it's about twice the size if you go up. Yeah, we're getting close, Now, Micro Center is about to carry this AMD Ryzen AI Halo developer platform.
It's quite the mouthful.
It's this AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395. Hey, I said it. There we go.
There we go.
It's got 128 gigs of memory on board. I've done a few reviews of this one, but maybe I'll get this one also. They come in a Windows version and they come in a Linux version already pre-installed. So these are coming very soon to Micro Center. So I think we're all good, right?
Yeah, I think that's mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah.
Now, I might have a little surprise for you. Are you gonna come help me build this thing or what?
Yeah, I'll help you build it. I'm a little nervous when you say surprises, because last time you gave me a surprise, you handed me something and took it back.
Well, I apologize for that. That was, you know.
It was a really good gift. Thank you.
All right, next we're gonna take this, build it, and we'll be back with some testing. Cool.
Awesome.
Thanks,
Let's do
Dan.
it. Let's do it. You have a riser cable, right?
No.
Hey, and you know what? One better. Open box. $60, and we still get the riser cable. It's still gonna be
Are you sure the rising cable is in there though?
We will find out right now.
Check.
After the break. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, there we go. White riser cable.
Oh, nice. Okay, perfect.
Oh my God, I remember how much I hate these boxes. There we go.
What else did we forget to do?
Well, look, as far as the ML09, we forgot nothing.
The whole thing fits in a little shopping basket this time around, not a giant cart. I asked Dan to come over here and help build this thing. This is the new space, by the way. Where's that case? That's the case that Dan thinks we're putting this into, but I have a different case. All right, so this is actually the case that we're gonna be using today.
Alex, what are you doing to me?
This is a Velcase Velca 3.
Oh my God, that almost looks like a power supply.
Remember that thing I said about the power supply? That's why I got this Flex Guru 650 watts FSP.
You have the manual for this guy, right?
Maybe
No?
it's in the box.
Oh, there
There's
we go.
screws in the box. Here we go, but no manual. Sorry, you're gonna have to figure it out.
That is totally fine.
All right, Dan, get to work.
All right, the best thing and the smartest thing you can do when it comes to a new case is look it up. I use the LTT screwdriver, and you have one too, right, Alex?
This is mine.
Oh my God.
So, yeah.
They make them
Sorry.
that small?
That's what somebody said. Don't leave that comment.
So.
Wait, triangle in the wrong spot.
No, trust me, it's fine, it's fine. There we go.
No satisfying pop. Nice job.
I expected to bend some pins today.
Wow.
Does this thing have a manual?
I would have gotten it out for you.
Well, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put the SSD in.
Do you need an instruction manual for this?
Actually, I might. Surprise, surprise, Alex. We don't get a manual, but guess what we do get?
Wow.
Stickers.
I'll take responsibility for this one.
Oh, look, that worked. There we go. How many people actually use electronic screwdrivers in your community for their builds? I honestly wonder. I'm gonna look out for comments on that.
There's gonna be a comment for that.
Please, please. Perfect. We have our SSD in, Alex. Install, pre-installed nuts. And before someone says it, I know we need thermal paste. I just want to make sure this properly sits over the processor before we do that. And it does. Smiley face. Oh my God.
That's the worst smiley face I've ever seen.
If you look like this when you smile, you should probably get help.
Go see a doctor. But also, I shouldn't talk because I kind of punted onto you. So you should all make the comments.
And believe it or not, the hard part is out of the way. Actually, the real hard part is going to be screwing this thing in.
All right, I brought my drill because we're gonna need it for the top, right?
Yeah, of course. Well, I guess I tried to read the manual, I just couldn't.
I'm not sure when to stop though.
It feels like if you twist it one more time, it's not gonna be a good result. No
Yeah.
pressure though.
Oh! Anybody that goes on dates, don't take that advice.
Oh my God. I'm gonna drink my water. Let's actually get the power supply in because that's gonna be like the more annoying thing later.
Did I not say that was gonna be a hard part?
Yes.
All right, now the piece de resistance. Aha, 4,000.
We actually might do the GPU last.
Please fit, please fit.
It has to. It literally has to.
Yeah? Oh, hey, you got it.
Look at that.
Snapped in.
See, he doubted me. Do something up here.
So do we need to take the motherboard out now?
Yeah. Sometimes you just take one step back to take 3 steps forward. Oh.
We need to take apart more of it, huh?
We're taking 2 steps back to take 3 steps forward. All right. Is this stressing you out yet, Alex?
I'm totally stressed out. Like, this is the hardest part.
I'm gonna take out the power supply for now so that we have extra height there.
This is like that screwing in a light bulb joke.
My middle name's Alex. It takes 2 Alexes to build an SFX rig. There
Hey,
we go.
is it in?
It is. 4 steps back to take 3 steps forward.
That's what I'm saying. It's not
But
gonna reach.
If we do the low profile bracket, since it's
Yeah.
gonna sit higher,
Oh.
it's time to switch brackets, Alex.
Oh, man.
There we go.
Hey, popped out. You deserve that satisfaction.
Look at that. All right, we're gonna get super janky with it. So I'm gonna keep building the rest of it.
You think the issue is gonna go away?
Maybe.
We always have this other case by Jonesbo.
No, it's too late. It just sucks that they don't include a riser with this case. Oh my God.
Do they have a riser in there?
Yes.
You're actually gonna go back, do the 3-step back thing again?
No. Because I think it's worth trying. Yes. Okay, yes, I am doing that.
Oh, man.
Boom.
Okay. Still hope. And Velka, if you're watching this, Velcase, put the riser cable in the box, please. Oh, hey. Oh, shit.
Okay.
I had a B50 and I ended up leaving the bracket off of that one too.
Definitely looks better.
Is it gonna run?
Oh, wait, I don't know. Front panel connector I have to do. And this is the part that's gonna be annoying.
What about all this?
We don't need that.
All right,
Yeah,
we don't need that. Nice, look at that.
Yeah, this thing is only a little bit taller than an iPhone.
I mean, that's clean.
Obviously, we won't talk about that.
There is a GPU, it's just like a little
Actually, they
bit.
can see it from here, look.
It's down there, yeah. All right, let's turn this on.
All right, Alex, now you just have to push this little button here.
Is it supposed to light up?
Did it light up? Hey, you wanna know a funny one?
Uh-oh.
I was plugging this into the slot for the LED and not for the actual power button.
Yes, it's spinning.
It's alive.
It's alive.
Is the monitor on, Alex? It's not.
You're kidding me. Oh, there it is.
Yep.
Thank you, Dan.
Yeah,
Appreciate you coming over here, building this thing. I'm gonna throw some models on there. We'll see how it runs. What do you think? Mac Studio is gonna win, or is this thing gonna win?
Depends. What are...
I like that.
It
That's a
depends.
good answer, because yeah, it does depend on what you're doing.
See, somebody commented, Dan's not really an AI guy, so I had to step up my game.
To be determined.
A lot less clutter here.
It's been a week or so, and I've had to take it apart because I've realized that this wasn't working. See, this is a PCIe 4 riser, and for some reason, it just would not work here. So I ordered a new one, and it's a PCIe 5, but it's a little long, so I gotta get it in there. 5 steps back, 4 steps forward. Who uses electric screwdrivers? And it's more beautiful than ever. It is solid. Now, it's not as small as a Mac Studio, but it's pretty close. Never mind that. All right, I got this set up, and I already had this Mac Mini plugged in here. Now, the Mac Mini only has 16 gigs of memory, so we are doing a smaller model. This is Qwen 3.4b. I'm hearing the fan spinning up on this thing, and it's done. 12 seconds total for all the iterations. The Mac Mini is still going. I'm getting about 30 tokens per second average on the Mac Mini, and 103 tokens per second on this thing. Let's see if it can do better than the Mac Studio. Now, the Mac Studio is capable of much larger models because it can go up to 512 gigabytes of RAM. This is the M3 Ultra with 819 gigabytes per second of memory bandwidth. That means it's gonna go really fast. Or at least the decoder is gonna go really fast. That's the second part of inference. Now, NVIDIA GPUs with CUDA running are really good at prefill. That's the prompt processing part. And they're really good at token generation too, but the memory bandwidth here is 672 gigabytes per second. Not quite the same. And because we have a lot more room to play with here, I'm gonna be running Gemma 4 12 billion on both of these. All right, we are generating text on both of these, and it's very close, but I'm already seeing some differences here. M3 Ultra is faster at generating tokens. The decode part goes at 45.4 tokens per second, 39.6 tokens per second for this guy, so just a little behind. But take a look at prompt processing. The Mac did prompt processing at 650 tokens per second, and our RTX 4000, 1,505 tokens per second, more than double. So there's pluses and minuses to these kinds of machines. But now I can say that they both fit in my backpack. Although this one might need to wait a few minutes before I put it into my backpack. It's pretty toasty. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check this video out next, and I'll see you in the next one.